Okay, next thing that we will do, we will add some ammo to our game because right now, yeah, we have some limited shooting. For example, 10 ammo. And after that, our player won't be able to shoot at all. And that's also not exactly what we want. We want to pick up ammo, maybe, yeah. You want to hide this ammo somewhere in the scene. And as a quest to tell the players to find ammo. And to survive or something like that, For that, we obviously need some ammo model, and I prepared this FPS all guns pack. It will be attached on this video, just get it in this C in the assets folder. And if we open, it has the different back assets inside. It has the guns, so more realistic guns. If you want to use them, you can do it as well. We have some case mark, some shotguns, some bullets, and these bullets we might use actually. I will check them. But most importantly, it's the ammo box that we have. So let's drag and drop this ammo box in the scene. Somewhere. Just like this. And when I first imported this file into my game, those game objects doesn't have any kind of material. So what you can do, you can select this ammo box and heat exact textures. Select folder and wait for a few seconds. And then they will all have the materials and textures, just like you see right here. Okay, next thing that I will do, I will unpack the summer books. So let's right-click the prefab unpack completely. And also I did say with the dragon enemy. Just select it and do exactly same, but just unpack from the prefab. So that we won't have any kind of prefabs right now into our game, alright. This ammo box will need to have some collider to interact with the player. So let's hit add component. Let's find box collider and let's add box collider. Let's see, yeah. I think box collider is good size, has good size. Let's take his trigger. And now, well, we know that our player has tag of player. And we can use this tag. But first of all, we should add one function, which will allow us to add some amount of ammo. And let's go in the scripts folder, and let's open our player shooting script. And let's scroll all the way down. After our shoot delay, we will add one public white. Let's call this one add ammo. And we will need one placeholder, integer as a parameter. So let's add in and let's call this one amount. Hey! What should happen when this function will be called? Well, plus our remaining gamma should increase by some amount, so we will say plus equals the amount. Okay, we have this function, which will increase our ammo by some amounts, and now what we can do, we can basically go and create another function for the ammo, which will be attached to the ammo box, and which will check if the player is collided with the ammo model. So let's create new C# script. Let's call this one ammo, simply not to bother much with the name of the script, and as I said, we will assign the script into this ammo box. So let's drag and drop it here and in the ammo box. And let's double-click to open in Visual Studio. Now what we need to do, we need to call on trigger enter function. So let's say on trigger enter A. Here we should check for the tag of player. So we can say if other or no. So it's game object to tag double equals player, so something should happen, right? Well, basically, we should call the air demo function here. So what we can do, we can say other don't get component. Component that we want is in player shooting script. So we'll call player shooting brackets. And now we can say don't add ammo, okay. And in brackets, we should say amount that we want to add. For example, we can say 10. That's exactly why we needed to create that placeholder integer in the add ammo function. So just for now, I will add 10 ammo. You can obviously add some other amounts of ammo if you want. And after that, we also want to destroy our ammo box. So I will say destroy game object. And that's pretty much it. We can save this script and let's test if everything is working. I'll let it save and compile. And now I will select player. How much ammo we have? Right now we have a 10 ammo, so let's shoot. Let's shoot these 10 bullets. And let's kill this enemy. And let's shoot. Okay, our ammo is 0 right now. And if you check the player shooting here. Oh yeah, we have remaining ammo, it says 0. Now let's pick up this ammo box. Okay, and now we have the 10 ammo again. And the ammo box is disappeared. And yeah, now we are able to shoot again. And it means that everything is working. And you can add as much ammo as you want. You can duplicate these ammo boxes. So Ctrl and D to duplicate and take the other ammo box somewhere else. And you can have these ammo boxes in all the way to the actual game. Actual scene. And your player will get some little bit of amount of amis from time to time, so I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.